Hello everyone, welcome back to my salad series. So in today's video I am going to show you an easy and healthy traditional South Indian salad made with chickpeas, coconut and mild spices. You can serve this salad warm, cold or even at room temperature. It is the most satisfying midday or late night snack. Actually chickpeas are good in protein, so you can give this snack to your kids as a healthy addition to their diet. So are you ready to watch the video with me? Chalo, we'll get into the video without any further ado. So let's begin the salad with soaking chickpeas overnight or for at least 5 to 6 hours. And in the morning we have to collect them in the pressure cooker and we have to wait for 5 to 6 whistles. Add 2 cups of water and some salt to the taste. Then just close the lid and wait for 5 to 6 whistles. If you don't have pressure cooker, you can use normal boiling method also. It takes around 15 to 20 minutes. Don't open it immediately and wait for at least 10 minutes. Then strain out the water and just check whether the chickpeas are boiled properly or not. So we'll check it out. Yeah, boiled properly. Now keep that aside and keep a frying pan on stove. Add very little amount of oil. We need just for roasting, so please don't add more oil. Then once the oil is heated, we'll add some mustard seeds, some cumin seeds, 2 to 3 dry chilies, 3 to 4 green chilies and few curry leaves. Just mix it once. Then add hing powder or asafoetida. Temper the ingredients well. Then we'll add our boiled chickpeas. Add some salt to the taste and some cumin powder to get that extra flavor. Now roast the ingredients well on medium flame for 5 to 6 minutes. Then turn off the stove and transfer to the plate. Just garnish with coriander leaves and some grated coconut. And yeah, you are done. And this prasad you can offer to God on special festivals like Ganesh Chaturthi or Shravan Shukruvaram pujas. Also you can offer this to your guests who come on that day. It's very simple and delicious to make it, right? So I hope you like this video. Please stay tuned for more other recipes. Chalo then, see you in the next video. Take care, bye bye.